Hi, my name's Kai, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the Kilominx. I think this is a really cool 2x2 version of the Megaminx, and I think that it's a really cool dodecahedron shaped puzzle, and I think it's really cool. And I'm looking forward to showing you how to solve this today. Enjoy. All right, let's get started. But first you're gonna need to learn how to solve the 2x2, so you can go watch my video on that. So first you're gonna look for your first corner, and you're going to do the first layer just like you would with a 2x2, except it's with 5 pieces, so you're gonna have to do it one more corner. So it's 5 instead of 4. Like that. So I got all of these, and I need to get the last one. Also, it's kind of hard to look around the cube and find all of those pieces. Like that. And you have your first layer. And then you want to make another first layer so you're going to put white on bottom, same as the 2x2. And you're going to make a first layer here, so you're going to make the whole side here. You're going to make the whole side here, the whole side here, the whole side here, and you're going to make all of them just like your first layer, so without messing up what you already did. So I need that to go there. I need that to go there. I need another yellow piece there, right here, and I can put it in. Now once you make that side, you can move on to another side. I'm just going to pick purple. And you can do the corner for that until you have the white and 2 other sides. Now I'm going to pick another side that's next to white, and I'm going to do it. So that. And I'm going to pick one more side, and you're just going to keep repeating it until you have all of them done. So here I need that there, and then I need to rotate. Okay, and then I need this last one here. And once you have all of those done, you can move on to the last layer. So first, you want to get one corner there and check around the cube if there's any more. If there's any more, you just turn the top. So here I only have 1, or actually I need 2 for the Megaminx or the Kilominx. So here I can turn the top and check if there's 2. So this one's in the right spot. This one's in the right spot, and you got to remember that gray is on the top. So these 2 are in the right spot, and here these 3 corners need to switch. So the algorithm is like this. You're gonna put that corner need to switch with these, and you're gonna do R inverse, or it's R inverse, BR inverse for back right. So R inverse, BR inverse, R, BR, or hold on, it's actually BR inverse, R inverse, U, L, U inverse, R inverse, U, L inverse, U inverse, R2, and BR. And then you're going to check around the cube and check if it worked. If it didn't, you repeat it. So BR inverse, R inverse, U, L, U inverse, R inverse, U, L inverse, U inverse, R2, BR. And then you can just rotate the corners. But I need to show you another case. So another case is, hold on, let me just get it. Okay, if this one's solved and this one's solved and these 3 need a switch, then you're gonna repeat this algorithm, and so you can do R inverse, BR inverse, R, BR, R inverse, F inverse, R, BR inverse, R inverse, F, BR, R. And then check if it worked. If it didn't, you do it again. So R inverse, BR inverse, RBR, R inverse, F inverse, RBR inverse, R inverse, F, BR, R. Then you can just rotate the corner. So I have put a unsolved corner in the OK position. So R inverse, D inverse. And remember that this is your D face. So R inverse, D inverse, R, D, R inverse, D inverse, R, D. And you're just going to do that with all of the top layer corners. So here I'm going to do these two last ones. So R inverse, D inverse, R, D. R inverse, D inverse, R, D. And then you can rotate it, and here, D inverse, R inverse, D, R, D inverse, R inverse, D, R, and then you can just solve the top. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to solve the Kilominx. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can hit the notify button so you can get notified when more of my videos come out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!